Bitcoin hash rate triples 6 months after the China exodus. It's taken it less than half a year to recover from the China induced crash. Those who don't know, it was the most dominant country in terms of mining. It was over half of the overall hash rate at the time. And then they reiterated their ban on everything crypto and went after the crypto miners. As they shut down their machines and started looking for new homes, the metric tumbled. We remember that. That's when it got
Oh yeah.
scary. I mean, Bitcoin was touching in the 20s. Like that's pretty wild to think about when it was 69,000 not that long ago. Yeah, it was hitting 28, 29. Everyone was freaking out. The bears were saying $17,000 Bitcoin. The
9, one was saying.
9. Yeah. 9. That's what I say to
9.
that. The German no. No. It went down approximately 65% in weeks. Culmination came in late June and then it dropped to 68 e hashes per second. However, as I started to settle in other regions and the difficulty adjustment played as well, the hash rate began to recover. Thus, it doubled by the end of August and now has nearly tripled and it stands at 184 versus the 68. More precisely, it's increased 170% since the late June low. America, we're stepping up. We're stepping up the mining. We're getting out. A lot of people. Wait, we got to get DZ rich. This guy's a real one. Look, don't worry about me. Okay, every 2 weeks I get to buy one chain link, and it's enough for me. Okay, but I appreciate that. Data from Cambridge shows that the world's most powerful economy for now has become the clear leader in terms of Bitcoin hash rate share. As of now, we're almost 50%. We're at 43% of the total hash rate, leaving Kazakhstan and Russian Federation 13% far behind. So they say far behind, not that far behind, because we saw how quickly that can change with the
Oh yeah.
China exodus. So I
Yeah.
mean, that was a huge, huge adjustment. That was very, very quick. I mean, I remember, but PJ, you used to mine, but you mined Ethereum. Did you ever mine Bitcoin?
No, we never actually, we still mine. I mean, we've had this running for years and years and years, but, no, we never mined Bitcoin. By the time we got involved in 2017, the difficulty was still pretty high. You had to pretty much if you didn't have an ASIC, it wasn't worth doing. I like the idea of GPU mining because it gave you flexibility to change chains based on what you wanted to do. So we mostly mined Ethereum. We've mined a little Ethereum Classic for a while to kinda get the hang of switching chains. I think we did a little spec mining on some Raven, and
Okay.
I we looked into mining Grin way back in the day when it first launched, but it took some higher graphics cards than we had at the time. So, but yeah, we that was one of the first things I did in crypto. Built a few different miners, like a 13 GPU big, a six GPU rig, and then I think one that's just a tester. So yeah, they've been churning away in my parents' garage for about 4 or 5 years now. So
All right, you guys are going crazy with the promote